AMALearning, you're about to. Specification Point 2.3. Describe the division of a cell by mitosis as the production of two daughter cells, each with identical sets of chromosomes in the nucleus to the parent cell, and that this results in the formation of two genetically identical diploid body cells. To successfully answer any GCSE question linked to this specification point, you will need to be able to compare the parent cell and the daughter cells produced due to mitosis. Mitosis leads to the production of two daughter cells. The two daughter cells are genetically identical to the parent cell, have the same number of chromosomes as the parent cell, are used as body cells, are diploid, which means they have a nucleus that contains a full set of chromosomes. This GCSE style question asks you to complete the table to show the result when a cell divides by mitosis in humans. It also gives the following information. Human body cells except gametes have 23 pairs of chromosomes. In mitosis, one parent cell divides to produce two daughter cells. This is why the correct answer for the first part of this question is the number of daughter cells produced is 2. The second part of the question asks for the number of chromosomes in each daughter cell. The parent cell and the daughter cells are genetically identical. This means they have the same number of chromosomes. In this case, the answer is 46. The information in the question states that human body cells have 23 pairs of chromosomes. In other words, they have 46 chromosomes. As the daughter cell is genetically identical, it will also have 46 chromosomes. Our animations were designed by experienced UK-trained teachers. We have been achieving amongst the best results in the country for many years, and we decided it was time to share our success. Have you just AMALed and want to AMAL some more? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to keep yourself up to date with the latest uploads. AMALearning, you just did.